Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am in India and I am so excited to be here. It's very hot, but I'm absolutely loving it. The heat has just hit me as I have landed in Delhi, and now I'm taking a quick flight to Jabalpur, where my parents live. I have arrived and I am in an auto off to a sweet shop because I just love Indian sweets. But I think it's such a art form. It's such a skill to make Indian sweets. It's not something that everybody can do like Indian food. And I have roped in my cousins who run this fantastic Mahavir sweets, and they have allowed me to arrive there first thing in the morning when they're just preparing their sweets upstairs in their workshop. And I have always loved Indian sweets, but I've never actually seen them being made. These guys specialize in milk based sweets, so a lot of kind of thickened, slowly cooked milk. So these are pedas, which just you can find these kind of Indian sweets at every corner, but you can really taste the flavors, really taste the quality, because it's such a delicate flavor, and they are making different kind of pedas and different kind of laddus. Also here they are making besan laddu, which is gram flour laddu, and he's rolling two at a time. I totally know that I cannot make two laddus at a time. It's such a skill, and I am really enjoying watching these guys at work. And while I'm here, obviously everything's so fresh that I have to try these sweets. So I'm going in for the laddu first, and it smells really kind of fresh, but also the ghee that they've used to make these is really good quality. They make it themselves, and you can really taste the roasted gram flour in these. लगाओ गुलकंद रोल
हाँ रसगुल्ले देने हैं रसगुल्ले देने हैं
अब इसका क्या बना रहे हैं आप?
इसका भी और आइटम बनेगा थोड़ा
अच्छा, इंग्लैंड में यार तुम भी कंट्री बदल दी।
के लिए भारत के बाहर सब बराबर है, कोई भी नाम ले लो, क्या इंग्लैंड क्या अमेरिका क्या लंदन क्या ऑस्ट्रेलिया सब बराबर किताब।
So while these guys are busy at work, you can hear some of the conversation me and my cousin are having in the background. I haven't seen him for, oh my god, decades. So it was quite nice to come and watch what he has been doing with the business, with the family business. I just usually never get enough time to visit anyone. So this was a special treat. And you can see while he's rolling the pedas that the kind of barfis, that the dough is so soft, and it's just kind of delicate is the word I'm looking for. Beautiful, beautiful materials, ingredients being used here. The freshness is just incredible. The quality is great, and I am having a great time watching all these guys at work. The way they are handling this is, it they make it look very very easy, and I know you guys often say that about my cooking too. So watching these guys, I feel wow, yeah, that's easy, but the dough is so delicate that this is quite a skill.
How? Lisa, stop is motivated to let go.
हाँ 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 So this is the other side of the workshop where they have big kadhais, they've got chashni, they have got which is sugar syrup, and even before I arrived, they've already cooked all the materials, so they've got the dough all ready to shape and stuff. And yeah, it's quite fascinating, and I love the details they are putting into everything, like dipping the knife in some color to add this little stroke of red on the barfi and just a hint of green with the pistachio. Just every kind of sweet is finished with such small details. So yeah, and here they have got some fresh milk that has just arrived, which is going to go into a machine to make another delicate soft sweet. Yeah, and amazing. अब इसका क्या बनेगा? अच्छा, मैं सोच रही थी कि कॉटन क्यों रखा है.
यहाँ पर
That's it. So these things are getting ready to go into the shop. They've got the silver kind of varak, it's called, which adds to the richness of the sweet. I am leaving the shop now and going back home with a box of sweets. Next morning, I am going out with my family to find some of the best breakfast here in Jabalpur, and their famous breakfast is, you can see there's bhaji vada, there is aloo banda, there is piping hot samosas. These were the crispiest samosas I've tried on this trip. There's jalebi and there is kachori, but most important, they have poha, which I have shared before on the channel, and they serve poha and jalebi as a combination. So they've got this freshly made poha and jalebi, so a bit of savory and sweet combined. In the evening, we went to my favorite Indian coffee house. This restaurant, this branch is new, but this restaurant, Indian coffee house, has been there since my childhood. So I know that the food is not the best in India, but it is amazing. It's delicious. I have so many memories attached to this place. So we've ordered some dosa, we've ordered some chola bhature, we have ordered some vada sambar, all the kind of things we have always ordered when we visit Indian coffee house. And I wanted to bring the kids here so they can try this food. There is rava dosa, yeah, and look at the menu. So the menu is so vast. They've basically covered everything under Indian food. They've got North Indian, they've got South Indian, but this sweet with this French toast. I've had many French toasts, but this French toast is very, very specific to this place. It's deep fried, it's sweet, it's oily, it's greasy, but it's absolutely delicious. Yeah, I was so pleased to have this after many, many years. Incredible. Like I would make this recipe for the channel, but I find it's so intensely greasy. Anyways, next day I took the kids to Rose Bakery, which is another place from my childhood where it used to be very close to our school. So sometimes we would go there after school. So they've got a range of bakes. They've got biscuits. They've got lots of eggless cakes. So yeah, I am going in. Okay, so we picked up the goods from the bakery, a quick stop at the flower market, just the aromas of the rose and the flowers, mogra, just amazing. Reached home with a great selection, so we picked up some pastry, some cream rolls, some chocolate balls, and the all important pineapple cake. And I'm going in first with the pineapple cake because it's something I remember. I actually remember the taste of this cake because I just haven't found the same taste anywhere else. These chocolate balls are just kind of really intense, not very chocolatey at all, but super sweet. I have to say, honestly, the kids were not impressed with the chocolate ball. The donuts are not like normal donuts, it just are. It's filled with like a buttercream, not fresh cream, like a buttercream. And I was having such a great time trying all these different things. The cream roll is like flaky pastry, and again inside it's filled with like a buttercream because they last longer. And yeah, my time in Jabalpur is up. I am off to Delhi, where I hope to try lots more food, and I will share that with you as well. Don't forget to subscribe. I will be back in my kitchen soon, but till then, hope you enjoy a glimpse of my India trip.